what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Bruna, and today is Chit Chat Get Ready With Me Makeup Monday. I love doing makeup Mondays because I get to just sit down with you guys and do some makeup, try on some new products, talk about stuff in the world. But it's mostly makeup. It's always gonna stay makeup positive, stay friendly. So if you guys want to see what look I create today, just go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to turn on notifications and comment, subscribe, all that stuff. Comment and like. Okay guys, let's get started. So the first step that I always do is I prep my skin. Today I prepped my skin with the Algenist Genius Liquid Collagen. This is basically like a serum, and then you follow it with some moisturizer. The moisturizers that I'm going to use today for my skin is going to be the Unicorn Essence and the Skin Tune Blur. I've been using these for daytime moisturizers because they're just light and easy, and I'm going to wear makeup anyway, so I don't try to wear too heavy of a moisturizer because then my foundation will just like slick off. After I've done those steps, I'm going to go ahead and go in and do conceal my eyes, and then I'm going to go into eyeshadow. I always use the Born This Way Conceal Contour Highlight Retouch Multi-Sculpting Concealer. It's really not called that, but it's like, why is this name so long? Couldn't we find something easier? But anyways, I'm going to use this concealer on my eyes, and I use this concealer, as you can see. This is this color Swan. This is a super light one. This is for fair skin. I use this only to conceal my eyes on top. I use this because I tend to wear a heavier eye. I wear eyeshadow all the time. If you're someone that doesn't wear eyeshadow all the time, or you just want something that's easy, then go ahead and use the Urban Decay Primer Potion. That one's like really easy to use and like everyday type thing. So for Makeup Monday today, I'm gonna go ahead and use the Soft Glam palette. And I'm not a huge fan of this palette. I try. There are other palettes that work much better than this palette, but it is a popular palette and many of you guys really love this palette. So I was like, okay, I'll use it because it's not always about what I like. Sometimes it's about showing you guys things too, and what you like and what you enjoy. This is a friendship. So like, I have friends that don't like something I like, but then I still participate with them because they're my friends. So I just still wanted to use this and show you guys how to use it. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and complete this eye. This is the look I did from this eye onto this eye. The first color that I'm going to go ahead and take in is this Cypress Umber right here. It's a really dark brown. Do know that the Soft Glam palette is very soft, so you only need a little color so a little color goes a long way. I'm going to go ahead and take that color, and I'm going to focus the color over here. And this is best put on more dabbed on. I forget to dab it on more. So these shades are best put on dabbed on because they skip when you try to like swoosh them on. So you want to press them on and then kind of move them around. The next one that I'm going to go in with is this color Bronze. Be aware that this has so much fallout. Like, look at you guys. How much fallout is. I'm gonna have to clean up my eyes a lot. So I did go ahead and cut crease it was all about a cut crease. So I went ahead and cut creased it. Now I'm in the process of just blending and just getting this color on. It's just this glitter stuff doesn't grip so well. Okay, so that looks really good. I need to wipe my under eyes because it looks insane. The fallout is so real. It's just so ridiculous how much fallout that has. I'm just going to go ahead and complete my face. I've already primed my face. I went ahead and primed my face. I've already primed my face, you guys. I've already primed my face with Skin Tune and Unicorn Essence by Farsali. These are my favorites. I love these, you guys. They're so freaking good. They're amazing. For foundation today, I am going to go ahead and use my ColourPop No Filter Foundation. All dramatic. Oh my god! This is why you don't play with makeup. Okay guys, so now I'm going to do my I first need to go in with some concealer. So since this is such a dark eye, I'm going to go in with a really bright concealer. I'm going to go in with Swan, you guys. But I'm not going to go in with a lot of Swan, just a little bit. Don't go ham with this because then this concealer is so pigmented and a lot goes a long way. So don't go ham. Just, that's good enough. Even I feel even this is a little much, but I know how to blend. But if you're someone that don't got time for blending or you don't have the patience for it, just 2 little dots will be enough and a little bit of a good blend. Why did I put on so much? I feel like when I put on this amount, it just gives me a nice seamless blend, and I just like the cake. I don't know, I like the cake. What looks good in my eyes might not look good in your guys' eyes. So like this super bright under eye might not, like, a lot of you may not like this look. You guys may be like, no, I want to use a medium shade. Then, you know, you can do that. Makeup is so personal. Makeup is so preference based. Makeup is so, you know, like, it's just so personal, honestly, and it's fun at the same time. So you do what you want. I'm gonna tone this down. I know exactly how I'm gonna tone it down so it doesn't look so bright, but yeah, it does look super bright right now. It looks absolutely insane. Under eye, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna use the color Cyber Umber, but I'm gonna use that in the end. First, I'm gonna go in with this color Sienna. It's like an orangey brown, and I'm going to basically use that on my under eye. And I'm going to smoke that in. I feel like if I use Cyber Umber all the way underneath my eye, it's going to darken my eye a little bit too much, and your girl doesn't want that. So I'm just going to keep it cute and just go in with Sienna and give it more of a nice warmer vibe on my under eyes. I am using E36 by Morphe. And you guys, the next color that I'm going to put on, because I need to make this pop, is I'm going to go ahead and put on this color Glistening, and I'm going to put it in my inner corners. I'm going to mix Glistening with Fairy, so there are those 2 colors right there. And I'm going to mix those 2 together, and I'm just going to pop it into my inner corner. And just, just do the best thing I can do. And just pop it there. To add some color to my face, I'm going to go ahead and use this bronzer. Now, before I go in, you guys, I'm going to set my face with this Mercier right here. Just go ahead and set my face. Then I'm going to go ahead and add color to my face. I'm going to go ahead and use my Hoola bronzer. And this Hoola bronzer, I really love it. It's really easy just to get me to get a warm up look. I'm not really necessarily going into a contour. It's not too orangey. It's not too cold or cool, or it doesn't make me look ashy. It's perfect, and it's not super like bling. It's subtle. You do have to layer it on a lot if you're a brown girl like me, but it still works and it still looks good, and I like it. It's really natural. It's a really natural bronzer. And you just go ahead and just brush it off. The brush I'm using is 135. MAC 135. I really like how tapered the brush is, if you can see that. Super tapered, and it just hugs your cheeks, and it just goes on really nice. There you go, nice and subtle. I'm going to use the Laura Geller Gilded Honey. This is my favorite highlighter. You guys probably saw me using it a ton last year, and it's still one of my favorites. Like, look at that bling, so pretty. It just goes on really nice, just melts into your skin. It looks so good on the brown girls. And then you just kind of blend that out. Like, look how pretty that looks, so pretty. I really try to focus a lot of the pigmentation right there, because that's where the, the light reflects the most. I have a really small forehead, so I like to add some stuff right there. Then I'm gonna go into the nose area, and I'm gonna add it to the nose area. I'm going to go ahead and put on my lipstick first, because I can never remember what lashes I have on hand, and I don't do lashes on camera, but I am going to fix it about myself. I think some people want to see me do lashes on camera, so I'm going to try to be more good about that. But I'm going to go in with my lipstick, and my lipstick, it's been a current obsession. So I've just been really obsessed with like Gloss Bomb with the lip liner, and the lip liner of choice right now for me has been the Lala lip pencil. This is in the color Lala, and it's just like a nudie vibe, and I just take it and I put it on. I've been super obsessed with Mented Cosmetics, their lip liners. They're so good. They just glide on. I like that I don't have to sharpen them. They just pop up, and they've been like so bomb to me. And this is Gloss Bomb by Fenty. I bought a sample size because I wanted to see if I even like it, and I should have got a full size. This is so good. The cutest lip ever. Like, that is such a cute lip. Okay guys, so this is the finished look for Makeup Monday. It's cute. It's definitely cute. I love it. I think it's so appropriate and neutral. And yeah, if you guys are enjoying Makeup Monday and you enjoy me using the products that I'm using, and I didn't really use a lot of new products, I just kind of used the things that I already had. I just really wanted to create this look and just give a nice neutral look for the new year, January. Happy New Year, everybody. I'm gonna be saying Happy New Year all of January. Why not? Okay guys, so don't forget to subscribe, comment down below, and leave me all the love that you can. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!